Hello everybody! Today we're going to talk about a strategy called a short call vertical, what it is and how to set it up. So a short call vertical means we think the stock price is going to go down. So in this case you can see the stock price has been going down for a couple of months. So for trend traders we might just assume the stock price is going to continue down. And one way to do that would be to sell a call vertical. So what does that look like? So we're going to bring it up here. And this is how short call verticals work. Here's the stock price, 363.38. In order to create a short call vertical, we always start by going above the stock price. So in this case, we're going to start by selling the 364 call, the call that is directly above the stock price. And then to create the vertical, we're going to buy the 365 call. And that creates a $1 wide vertical. So what does that mean? Well, as we know, max potential profit plus max potential loss always has to equal the width of the strikes. So in the case of verticals, this is a dollar wide, 364 to 365. If we sell this for 56 cents, whatever we sell a vertical for is the most we can make for it. So in this case, 56 cents would be max potential profit. So in order to make it equal a dollar, we'd have to have max potential loss at 44 cents. Why is that? Again, this is a dollar wide, 364 to 365. We are selling this for 56 cents, and that's the most we can make. That's max potential profit. So max potential profit plus max potential loss, in this case is 44 cents, equals a dollar. And that's how we work it out. So the most we can make is 56 cents on this trade. The most we can lose is 44 cents. And again, we can set this up any way we want as long as we start above the stock price. So if we want to make this 370 to 380 call, we absolutely can. We just have to start at least above 363. So 364 would be the closest we can go. We can make this 364 to 365, 364 to 374, whatever we want to do is possible. But the rules of short call verticals, again, we just start by selling a call above the stock price and then buying a call further away. And that is what a short call vertical is, what we hope will happen, and how to set them up.